Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website snupps.com step by step. So watch the full video. The website has domain authority 59 and page authority 49. So it has high domain and page authority. To add backlink in this website, firstly click on sign up. You can sign up with Facebook or with email. I'm using email. Click on sign up. Give your business name or website name. This is my website name. Now click on next. Put your username. Now click on next. Put a strong password. Click on next. You can upload image or you can skip this. You can pick your interest or skip this. Now click on me in the right side. Edit profile. You can paste your link here. So paste your website link. Now click on done. Here you can see that your website link is added here. If I click on the link, then it will redirect to my website. This way you can add backlink in this website. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like my video. Thank you guys.